Hello friends, here is your assignment for the day. Feel yourself in your body and feel yourself in the space you are in. Just feel the space. You can even do a thing where you go through your body, find your breath, allow yourself to settle, and then become the room, meaning you feel what it's like to be the entire room at once. Centered on your breath, I'll allow you to do this. Please pause the video and stay in that space as long as you wish. And explore what that feels like. You can even extend it to the entire building, even the entire earth. What it's like to become the earth. And then what it's like to become the galaxy. To help understand what a galaxy is, it's a collection of 100 billion stars. Each galaxy has around that amount, some more, some less. What does that feel like? What does that look like? And all those stars are a little different, yet they're all the same. You realize that I'm a collection of cells. You can feel each of the cells in your body. You're a galaxy of cells interacting. That's what that feels like. Today I'm going to show you a video of what it looks like to look at another galaxy. Your response is to please get a piece of paper, draw an outline of yourself, just like an outline of a human figure, and before you watch it, draw how you feel from this little meditation I just invited you to go through, that we're going to go through again on Friday. Just draw how you feel right now. Draw shapes, colors, lines, words. Just draw what you're experiencing. And then, after you watch the video, draw how you feel after the video. And then maybe draw yourself as made of dots. Separately or as your second drawing. Whatever feels right if you want to draw a couple things. And then write a description of what it evoked in you. So drawing will help it come out, and see if you can just write some words. Whether it's poetry, if you want to do it poetically, or just a description of this evoked this idea, or this evoked this thought, or this evoked this question. Please write it down, and we're going to share on Wednesday what it evoked within you. Because I feel that's the most important thing, is realizing these truths and how they allow us to relate to ourselves. So please do that. So your assignment is piece of paper, draw a figure how you feel before, and then do the same how you feel after. And if you want to draw yourself made of dots, that's kind of fun. Kind of pointillism. If you guys know pointillism art, draw yourself made of dots. That's kind of what a galaxy is. And then please write, certainly write what it evoked. So drawing 1, drawing 2, write what it evoked. Optional, draw yourself as dots. You guys got it? I'll write that down in the description too. So before I show you the video is posted to the webpage. Please watch that after this. Here's a picture of what it is. It's of the Andromeda Galaxy. We cannot leave the Milky Way galaxy to take a picture of it, but we can look at other galaxies outside of the Milky Way. So this is a drawing of the Milky Ways in the center. There's a little dwarf galaxies. There's actually hundreds of little ones. There's 2 called the Magellanic Clouds that orbit the Milky Way that we'll look at too, that are really cool. So this is cosmography. And then if we look off in the distance, we see there's actually a pretty huge galaxy called Andromeda. And there's another galaxy called the Triangulum Galaxy. There's another galaxy that orbits it, that orbits Andromeda. So galaxies orbit other galaxies. Andromeda and the Milky Way are heading toward each other. They don't orbit each other, but they're heading toward each other. The Magellanic Clouds orbit the Milky Way. So remember our zoom? You can do this zoom in to our solar system. You zoom out to the galaxy. Remember that? This is zooming out even further, and you can see that there's another galaxy over here called Andromeda. So if we look through our galaxy, a galaxy is kind of like a forest. So imagine you're in a forest of trees and you're looking through the forest. You can see another mountain top with another forest in the distance that is so blurry and distant you can't really see the trees that accurately unless you have a good telescope. And then you realize those trees aren't a part of my forest. They're in a different forest on a different mountain top. So we have to look through our stars to see these. If you see something really bright in the video, that really bright thing is a star that's in the way. It's imagine like looking at New Jersey, or you're watching a sunset and there's a light bulb in the middle of your face. That light bulb's going to get in the way, and you're going to say, the sun is so bright right now. Well, that's not the sun, that's the light bulb that's really close to your eye. That's what happens when we have to look through. We're in a galaxy. We have to look through our galaxy to see this one. Sometimes a star gets in the way. So if you see something really bright, somebody goes, what is that? It's actually what we call a foreground star. It's a star that's in the way. So this is a cool picture of what that looks like from a graphical perspective. If you were to zoom out even further, there's another galaxy called Andromeda. And of course, this begs the question, what happens if I keep zooming out? Don't worry, of course we're going there, but let's take it one stage at a time. Enjoy the video of Andromeda that shows us what a galaxy is. I love all of you.